Oh, good morning, everybody. So we took the old scrap rod out today. Kind of a nice day out, about 30 degrees. We'll take a little walk in the shed and see what she looks like today. Hang on. It's kind of snowy out. Got some snow the other day. Got her all plowed out. Looks like the snow blew in the ridge cap of my shed here. Got a little bit of snow. A little snow on the engine. Snow all over in here, I guess. Must have been pretty windy out. Well, shall we see if that old flathead V8 likes to start when there's snow sitting on it? We'll give her a little whirl once here. See what happens. Turn the old key on. Oh, there goes the electric fuel pump. Make sure she's in neutral. Give her a little choke here. Oh, needs a little more choke. Beat that. That's definitely a cold start. I think I like it. That was definitely a cold start. Oh, shut her off and show you some of the things I've done here. Look at that original Model A switch. I got that working the other day. Got a starter button in it. And my choke cable down there. Got my pedals in here, and a clutch pedal, brake pedal. I ain't got no master cylinder on it yet. One major accomplishment we did get done, we got the back of the cab on. Got the back window in there. That's out of a 53 GMC half-ton. My son had a couple of them and had an extra back window he said I could use, so that's what we used for that. Yeah, it's coming along yet. I'm going to see if I can get a stove old wood stove put in the shed today, laying over there. Ain't supposed to be much above 0 for the next week or two, so if I'm going to get much more done, I'm going to have to have some kind of heat in the shed. Maybe we'll pull her head a little bit and see if we can get her out in the sunshine, get a better look. Hang in there. There, now we got her out in the sun. Get a good look at the dual wheels here. Banjo rear end looks a lot better in there than the other one did. Got my foot feed hooked up. That took a little planning getting that foot feed going in there. We got it fixed up Well, I guess we'll call it quits for this video. I just wanted to see if she'd start today. See if I can get my wood stove in the shed and try to get some heat going. Otherwise, she'll be kind of sitting for a long time in this cold weather and not getting much done. This is DNFO saying thanks for watching. Hope you liked my video. I show you a little more of my cat last year. Oh, it's now starting to melt off for a little. I have to shut her down and let her cool off. Hang in there.